4 numbers are inserted between the numbers 4 and 39 such that they an AP results. Find the biggest of the 4 numbers. Means what? 4 and 39. 4 is the first term and 39 is the last term, and in between some 4 numbers are inserted which form an AP. Means all these together form an AP. Now they form an AP means what? The difference between the first and the second, second and the third, third and the fourth will be same up to n, up to last term. Okay. So what we have to find out? Find the fourth number. Means 1, 2, 3 and 4. S we have to find out. So let the 4 numbers is P, Q, R and S. Okay. So they are in sequence now. AP. Now Tn equals to, what is the formula for AP? A plus n minus 1 into D. Okay. Now these are 4 numbers and 4 is first. It means total there are 6 numbers. Okay. So T6 equals to A plus, A means 4 over here, plus n. 6 minus 1. N is what we require, the number which we require. T6, so 6. Okay. 6 minus 1 into D. Right. D we don't know. So 39 equals to 4 plus 5 into D. Right. Solve this and you will get D equals to 7. But what we require, the S. S means which is the number from the start. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. T5 we require. So T5 equals to A plus 5 minus 1 into D, 7, and A is 4. So solve this. 4 plus 28 equals to 32. So the number is 32. Can you find what are the other numbers? 4 plus 7, 11, 11 plus 7, 18, 18 plus 7, 25, 25 then 30.